All right, guys, one of my favorite sections is coming up. Greece. Who doesn't love Greece? Um, it's a battle between Greece or Rome as to which is the favorite. But we're going to be talking about Greece, and today is day one. Actually, we're looking at this on Tuesday, so we're going to be talking about geography. Okay, physical geography of the Aegean Basin. Okay, meaning Greece is located near the Aegean Sea, right? Shaped the economic, social, and political development of Greek civilization. Of course, it did. Having access to a sea, all right, is going to shape how they develop. Duh. Classical Greek civilization emerged after the river valleys and it became the first major civilization in Europe. So, located west to the Aegean Sea. So, guys, all of this right here is Greece. Okay. It had access to the Med Sea, the Aegean Sea, the Black Sea, which is up here. Actually, this right here is the Sea of Marmara, and the Black Sea is up here. This is your Dardanelles Strait, right? We just labeled this on our map yesterday, and you can get to the Black Sea through the Bosphorus Strait. It's near Asia Minor. All right, you have major cities within Greece. All right, one of the major cities we talk about, though, is a colony, right? For the Greeks, it's not on the Greek mainland, and that would be Troy. Okay, that's going to be important when we talk about the Trojan Wars, which did they really happen? Or was it just a legend? So that's what historians sometimes debate. So you've got Athens right here, Sparta right here, and of course, Greece is south of Macedonia. That's going to become important next week, toward the end of the week. Okay. It is the southeasternmost region of Europe. It is located on the Balkan Peninsula. Look at this map right here on your screen. See, it's got a lot of hills, a lot of mountainous terrain, right? That's going to affect how it develops and how it grows. It is a peninsula. It's surrounded on three sides by water. It's got smaller peninsulas jutting out from it, especially this peninsula right here, the Peloponnesus Peninsula, which is important because that's what Sparta is located on. All right, mountains are going to serve as natural barriers and boundaries that prevent large scale farming and the development of a larger centralized government for all of Greece. All right, you're also going to have deep bays and natural harbors along the coastline, which is going to make their economy flourish that's based on shipping and trade. Okay. They had to move outside of Greece. Why? Because of overpopulation, right? We cannot house the population that we have now, people having too many babies, right? So they got to move outside of Greece. But the number one reason is lack of arable land or lack of farmable land due to all those hills and peaks and valleys that we just saw, right? Mountainous area. Due to the colonization, Greece had to shift from a barter economy to a money economy. So they no longer are going to trade good for good, but they're going to trade good for coins. Okay, this is going to make trading a little bit easier. And that's going to allow their economy to expand on that economy based on shipping and trade. All right, the expansion of Greek civilization through trade and colonization led to the spread of Greek culture, or otherwise known as Hellenic culture. That term Hellenic is going to be very important. Okay. These are the Greek colonies that emerge all throughout the Aegean Sea, all throughout the Black Sea, and all throughout the Mediterranean Sea. Why is that? Well, it's going to help them in regards, you don't want to go too far into mainland so that you can easily trade and easily have access to other places, all right, within territory, right? Within the Greek territory. So these were all Greek territories and Greek colonies that are located in that kind of golden yellow. Okay. All around the Med Sea, Aegean Sea, especially. All right. You see how Troy would be like right there, and around the Black Sea. Okay. And that concludes our lesson for today. So short, sweet, simple, and to the point. So, what were our main ideas? All right, Greece. Okay, it is a peninsula. It is near the Aegean Sea and it's near the Mediterranean Sea. That's going to allow its economy to flourish on shipping and trade, right? Because of the mountainous terrain and overpopulation, right? That lack of arable land, that's going to lead to people colonizing outside of Greece, and that's going to lead to the expansion of Greece. But because of that mountainous terrain, city states are going to remain independent and grow separately and have different governments within them. All right, and that's going to lead us to talking about social structure tomorrow. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.